What does a criminal defense investigation do? They are about finding mistakes and holes in the prosecution's case and uncovering evidence and witnesses which will refute their claims, perhaps even an alibi. It also can involve finding what is called exculpatory evidence, evidence which might have helped the defendant had the prosecution revealed its existence to the defense. If law enforcement interviewed any witnesses who are not on the state's witness list, a defense investigator should speak to them for sure. Defense attorneys like to know ahead of time what a witness is going to say in depositions, if possible. The scene. It also helps to visit the scene of the crime, even though it may be weeks later. It helps form a picture and may point to areas which were neglected or not followed up on by the prosecution investigators. One question which should be asked of law enforcement personnel who were on the scene of an incident is, at what point did you determine a crime had been committed? If an officer is headed to a call with a predetermination that a crime is taking place, an arrest is imminent. If not, what fact at the scene changed his mind? The interviews. Criminal defense investigators must be good at conversation on all levels. It helps to be pleasant when talking to witnesses. If you need to talk to an illiterate street person or CEO, know the language. We do not interrogate anyone. Sometimes we need to know what a witness may say if asked a particular question by the prosecution. When the situation arises, tell the witness you might sound like you're not on their side. Assure them that you are, and tell them why you might be asking a possibly unfavorable question. A criminal case deserves a thorough investigation, and attorneys do not like surprises in the courtroom. In questioning witnesses or writing reports, use the term accuser rather than victim. The word victim implies someone suffered some sort of negative consequence. Accuser indicates possible doubt. And remember, if your case goes to trial, reasonable doubt is what you and the attorney hope to establish. The attorneys. I have encountered 3 different attitudes in attorneys handling criminal cases. Some want to believe their client is innocent in order to gain an acquittal. Others believe their client is guilty of something, but perhaps not exactly what they're charged with. Some don't care either way.